guys, welcome back to Cooking with Mimi, and today, you've guessed it, we're making another Instant Pot video. This was suggested to me. I'm going to make fish in an Instant Pot. Today we're going to make Jamaican brown stewed fish in the Instant Pot, and I'm going to use red snapper. So, I'm so excited, and let's get started. Okay, so first things first, I have my Instant Pot on saute for about 10 minutes. So while that's preheating, I'm going to start seasoning my red snapper. So I have about 3 1/4 pounds of red snapper, and I cut it in threes. So first things first, I'm going to add some salt on each piece. About a teaspoon of salt. Okay. Some black pepper. Some Goya sasando toda. And of course, some ipis. So here I have about 2 tablespoons of ipis. So I'm gonna rub this in, flip it over, and repeat it on the other side. Alright, so in here I'm going to add a tablespoon of olive oil. Or a teaspoon of olive oil, wasn't that much. Basically, you want to fry the fish for 1 minute on each side, and then we're going to pull them right back out. Alright, that's done. Add a little bit more oil, and do my next batch. Alright, that's been the minute. And guys, if you need to set more time on your saute setting, you can. I just added an extra 10 minutes because I was doing too much talking. So, pull the fish out, put that aside for now. Now I'm going to throw in my thyme. I have a whole thyme and 1 medium onion sliced up. Throw that in there. Then I have 2 carrots. Sliced up. And I have 1/2 of an orange pepper and 1/2 of a red pepper. Add some nice color to it. I have 1 Scotch bonnet pepper, very important. I have half a cube of some fish seasoning. Gonna add that in there. Try to crush it up. And I have a teaspoon of grated ginger. Get that in there, nice and sauteed. Oh my gosh, this is smelling amazing already. You want to let this cook down for about 2 minutes or until the onions become a little translucent. Stir occasionally. My onions starting to become translucent. Remember that little bit of ippies that's left in your plate or your green seasoning blend? Add that because there's no need to waste it. Give that a stir. Oh my gosh, guys, this smells amazing. So here I have 1/3 cup of ketchup. I have 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of browning. That's what gives it the nice color also. Ooh, look at that. And then here guys, I have 2.5 cups of water and I have 1 tablespoon of flour mixed into it. So you put the tablespoon of flour first and then you kind of slowly mix in the water, and that's what's gonna help thicken up the sauce. You want to throw that in there. Get the little bit of flour at the bottom. It's looking beautiful. Now, after you add all of the ingredients in, you can add the fish right back in there, and I'm gonna set the pressure cook on only 5 minutes and let that cook up in this. You want to gently add the fish. You don't want it to break. Alright, give that a stir. This is going to cook for 5 minutes. It cuts the cooking time in half, and I'll be back. Alright guys, there you have it, brown stewed fish in an Instant Pot. It smells amazing. I can't wait to dig in. Thank you guys again for watching Cooking with Mimi. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And guys, I'm super excited to dig in. Look at that. Brown stewed fish. Oh, you gotta love it.